Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to change vehicle Uber Driver app. Start by opening a web browser instead of the Uber Driver app, as this process works best through a browser. In the search bar, type Remove Vehicle Uber and press Enter. From the search results, click on the titled How do I remove a vehicle from Uber? Scroll down the page and click the link that takes you to go.supplier.uber.com. This will open Uber's vehicle management page. If you're already logged into your Uber driver account, you'll be redirected automatically. If not, tap the three lines or dots in the top corner and log in. After logging in, select Vehicles from the menu. You'll see a list of all your registered vehicles. Choose the vehicle you want to remove, then scroll to the bottom of the page and click Remove Vehicle. Confirm your choice when prompted. Once you click Remove, the vehicle will be successfully removed from your Uber Driver app. That's how you can change your vehicle on the Uber Driver app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.